Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa is going to cook my favorite dish. Actually, I'm also clearing my fridge lah. Okay, I have some choy sum with me. Yeah, you can use any kind of choy sum. Nowadays, there are so many types of different choy sum. This is actually something like a baby choy sum. Okay, and then I have just wash your choy sum and also try to cut them into similar sizes. Yeah, on each chunks. See, something like this. And then I have some siu yok, yeah, roast pork. I got some actually roast pork from the other day. So some leftover. Just now I actually pan fry my roast pork here. Few pieces of ginger slice and also chopped minced garlic. You can use, actually it's better to use young ginger for this, but I'm using old ginger today. Still okay. Just stir fry this. Actually this dish, if you order outside, they usually use kai lan, yeah. But kai lan normally you need to clear the peel off part of the skin. If it's not, it's going to be too chewy. Appa very lazy to do all that, so usually I use choy sum. Okay, let's start. I'm going to use garlic oil. You can use any vegetable oil. First thing, you want to saute your ginger and also garlic. Let me clear my kitchen top. The most important seasoning for this dish is basically oyster sauce. And the thing about oyster sauce is usually most of the oyster sauce in the market, it doesn't have preservative. So after you open, you have to keep it inside the fridge. Yeah? Alright, then we can put in the stem. The thicker part of the stem, I actually cut it into half. Trying to make most of the pieces about similar sizes here. So we stir fry this for a while before we add in the leaves, and we only add in the roast pork towards the end. So come back shortly. Okay, so this is after about 1 minute plus. Add in some water, or you can use Shao Hsing wine also. Now I'm going to put in the leaves. Going to add in a bit of Shao Hsing wine as well. Of course, if you don't take alcohol or just omit the Shao Hsing wine, don't worry. Tune down the fire a bit. Going to add in the oyster sauce, approximately 1 tablespoon. Give it about a bit of light soy sauce. With a bit of salt. Few dashes of white pepper. Now you can raise the heat back. Usually when we eat this dish, the ginger flavor, the ginger aroma will be very strong. That is because they use the young ginger, okay? See, the leaves gets softened very, very fast. You can starch this if it's very watery right now, then it will look even nicer. Usually I don't like to starch, so it's really personal preference. Now I'm going to throw in the roast pork. Give it a few stir and it's done. I don't mind. Okay, I'm going to off the fire. I don't mind to give it a large final tinge of garlic oil, or you can use sesame oil. Right? Done. Now we can dish it out. Alright, here's my stir fry choy sam with roast pork. Very simple. If you want to make it brighter, then while you are cooking, you can add a little bit more water. After that, towards the end, put some starch solution inside. Then the dish will be even shinier. Okay, I hope you like my video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.